In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your address from Mailchimp email footers. If you've been using Mailchimp for your email campaigns, you may have noticed that your physical address is automatically included in the footer of your emails. This is due to legal requirements like the CAN-SPAM Act, which mandates that businesses include a valid physical mailing address in their emails. However, for many people, especially those working from home, sharing a personal address might feel like a privacy concern. Fortunately, there's a way to protect your personal information while still complying with these rules, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Mailchimp account on their official website. This is where you manage all your email campaigns, so make sure you're using the correct account credentials to avoid any hiccups. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Campaigns tab. You can find this at the top of the dashboard. Clicking here will take you to all the campaigns associated with your account. From there, click on All Campaigns. This will display a full list of your email campaigns, making it easy to locate the specific one you want to edit. Take a moment to find the campaign where you want to update the footer. Once you've identified it, click on the campaign name to open it up. Next, look for the Edit Design button. This is an important step because it opens the Mailchimp campaign editor, where you can make changes to your email's layout and content. Once the editor loads, scroll down to the very bottom of your email design. This is where the footer section is located, and it's where Mailchimp automatically includes your address. Within the footer section, you'll notice a content block that contains your address. Click on this block to enter edit mode. Here you'll see the text that includes your address, and it's often displayed using merge tags. These tags look something like this: list address. They're placeholders that Mailchimp uses to dynamically insert the address linked to your account. Now, here's the most important part of this process. To remove your personal address, you'll need to replace the existing information with an alternative. A common solution is to use a P.O. box or a virtual business address. These options allow you to maintain your privacy while still providing a valid mailing address, which is required by law. If you don't already have a P.O. box or virtual address, you may want to consider setting one up before making changes in Mailchimp. Once you've entered your alternative address, double-check that everything is correct to avoid any errors. When you're satisfied with the changes, click Save and Close to apply them. This will update the footer for the specific campaign you're working on. Keep in mind that if you have multiple campaigns, you'll need to repeat this process for each one to ensure that your personal address is completely removed from all outgoing emails. And that's it. By following these steps, you can protect your personal privacy while ensuring your emails remain professional and compliant with legal requirements. It's a simple process, but one that can make a big difference in how your emails are perceived and how secure your information remains. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.